Another lively number from Conamara. Everybody knows this one in Conamara. And it's called Cailleach on Airgid, no Siad Mói, which means the hag with the money, or she's your granny. And it's actually based on a truth. This lady called Máire Ní Chathasaigh came from Conamara and went off to seek her fortune in America and came back loaded and unmarried. And they're asking, will she marry? And she's that sprightly still that she can tear along the roads and beat the steamship out on the sea. And the question is asked, will she marry? And somebody says, no, don't think she'll marry because your man would only drink the money on her. Siad Mói nó Cailleach an Airgid. Agus gur míle maithagaí, bhí se go háil in bhain seo. Thank you so very much. You were a wonderful audience.
Siobhán Elsafty, Armstrong agus Browne siad a blacha locéisteach in uige uair an Glasgow. Apat chun de háist an Cailleach go dúine go háirit an san inad fic seo.
Se tá mar aon tuairim leat tá ceol álainna có. Sné a gcuite nach mór den ihe nacht agus beimid ag buile bóthir saravad ach salan ní meomid beag árán scoideagain ón ar líana ceolmhara.
Tá birds got a pulse, birds got a pulse, birds got a pulse, the mileage in hagange. Tá birds got a pulse, birds got a pulse, Sean him a schword agus Máire Ní Chathasaigh. Siad Mói, she go to Joey, Siad Mói, she Cailleach an Airgid. Or a Siad Mói, oh, who knew the schword is good at she pushed the worry for Shadige. Nú bhí mo dhéadón a leidí be go cheanna sé neagal seo hearra go searige. Bur lumsa go mór mo gána bhóna an go ceadó a bheith caite cos ballagán. Siad Mói gadim go dói, Siad Mói sí Cailleach an Airgid. Siad Mói ó húna de schwóris chud a tí costí ar mórí go searige. Siad Mói gadim go dói, Siad Mói sí Cailleach an Airgid. Siad Mói ó húna de schwóris chud a tí costí ar mórí go searige. Siad Mói sí go dó, Siad Mói sí Cailleach an Airgid. Siad Mói ó húna de schwóris. Is tí sa tí feall on Friday and Saturday.